Where are you watching from? Okay, where are you watching from? Right, where are you watching from? Okay, let me know where you're watching from in the chat box. Okay, I'm I'm live now. Um, okay, good. So, um, today we're going to be looking at price action in action. All right, and my name remains Tunmise Olaoluwa. Okay, and a quick one. Every information shared on this webinar is strictly, for educational purpose and does not constitute any investment advice. All right. So my name is Tunmise Olaoluwa, and I have 7 years experience trading in the reviewing Euro USD currency pair, checking out the price movements, and also getting to get currency suggestions from you, the viewers. Should there be time for that? And then please do well to ask questions. All right, that's why we are here, and I'm very delighted to ask you questions. To answer your questions. Yeah, so this session is going to take 45 minutes, and please leverage the YouTube live chat to ask your questions during the webinar. Now, what does our strategy consist of? Consist of analyzing historical price movement, utilizing candlestick formation, chart patterns, and market structures. Now, who is this suitable for? It's suitable for position trader, intraday trader, swing trader. Now, when do you use it? You use it during high liquidity periods, and also time frame, within the time frame from 1 hour time frame to the 1 month time frame. Okay, now let's get into our trading session. All right, so what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be looking at our currency per Euro USD. Okay, we're looking at Euro USD, and mind you, this is our Octa trader platform. You know, you need to get yourself acquainted with it to enable you, have more flexibility trading. Okay, good. So we're gonna carry out, an analysis on the Euro USD now. Okay, good. Now, on Euro USD, I'm going to go to the monthly time frame. This is the monthly time frame on Euro USD. Okay, and I'm going to do a quick analysis, right, on this. So what we are doing is a top to bottom approach where we look at higher time frames down to lower time frames and see, you know, the the price movement and market structure, okay, from the higher time frame. Now, so I'm marking out, structures, key levels, and structures. All right. So here I'm looking at how price break out from this trend line, outside this trend line, and now has been consolidating at this level, and even at this level, let me get something. There was a breakout. Okay, there was a breakout at that level. Let me just good. So there was a breakout at this level. All right, on the higher time frame. Now this big now has now turned support zone. Okay, and as last week I told us about the doji that appeared here, now signaling a you know change in market price and market direction. So we see that this week was there was a push up. All right, this week, this month. So last month was a doji indicating a turnaround in market direction. Okay, so we can see how price had gone up, and then right now there has been a push back a bit. So that's where we will now go down to the weekly time frame to see what is currently going on. Now obviously now we can see that on the weekly time frame, price, so you see how price moved from here. Now price is currently here and then already pushing back down. As you can see, let's zoom in on this. Okay, let's zoom in on this. Now you can see here uh, price at this level. So, and the level where price is currently at is a support zone, a support turned resistance zone, right? So because right here the level was acting as a support right here. Okay, but now the level is now acting as a resistance. All right, the level is now acting as a resistance, and that is why we can see that price is finding it difficult to break out from this level. Okay, so it is a support turned resistance. Let me do that. Let me write it for you. Support turned resistance. This level is a support turned resistance level, and that's why we can see that price having break out from this support zone. Now that zone is acting as a resistance zone. All right, good. So what do we see from here? So currently, because price is not just at a resistance zone, okay, but also consolidating at that zone. So, and that's very important for us to consider, of which we have to go to the lower time frame to see more closely what is going on there. So let's go to the lower time frame, which is the daily, and we can see that on the daily, okay, good. So we can see that price has been ranging here, right? Between this box, price has been ranging. So if price keep pushing down, we might see a drop of price from this level here, then it picks up again. Okay, also price might actually just still bounce back from this level. So it's a two-way thing. All right, it's a two-way thing because there is a minor support zone at this level. Let me put it. Yeah, let's zoom in so that we can see what I'm talking about. Can you see that? There is a minor support zone here. A minor, not a major one. However, it can withstand price from breaking down further. And there can now be a pickup in price from this level upward. Alright? So we might see price pick up from here up. So if this does not hold and price breaks out of this level, we might see price just come and retest this support zone before picking up back to this level. So it's a question of what would be our decision as a trader now. Would our decision be to buy? Would our decision be to sell? Or would our decision be to wait? Alright? So, here is what I'm going to say from here. We cannot conclude on buying. However, we cannot also conclude on selling. However, we can wait to see the outcome of this bearish candle. Okay? If it moves the way this moved and broke out of this support zone, then we know it's going down to touch this level. So if the same plays out and it breaks out of this level, definitely it's coming to touch this level. Alright? Of which from here it picks up to this level. So what we might be seeing here is either a further breakdown in price or a quick consolidation and a push back up from here. And that's what makes trading interesting, right? Because you have to understand price movement. All right? You have to understand price movement. So let's go down to the lower time frame, 4 hours. Now, the 4 hours is giving us a very clear picture of what is going on. A very, very clear picture of what is going on. Now, if you observe the second to the last candle, in the last 4 hours, right, which is this candle, if you observe clearly, you see that the candle is fully bodied bearish candle. Fully bodied, showing that there is presently a huge sell pressure coming in on the 4 hours time frame. Presently a huge sell pressure coming in on the 4 hours time frame. And if this pressure holds, definitely a breakout from this level is inevitable. So what can we do? We can set our sell order. That's our sell order. We can set our sell order here. Okay, and what we're going to set here would be to that price. Once price goes below to our preferred price level, it should sell. Okay, so we would set a sell order so that when price comes here, a sell is triggered. And definitely we know that if a breakout occurs here, price has a higher probability of hitting the next support zone. Yeah, price has a higher probability of hitting the next support zone. So if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, that's even very much, that's telling us more clearer story. It's giving us more clearer picture of what is going on. Okay, here we are having more clearer picture of what is going on. With the momentum of price in this way and manner, there is a higher chance that a further breakdown in price is coming in. So we might see price just go down. There's a higher chance with this drop in price, there's a higher chance that price will break out of this support zone. Okay, and there is a higher bearish momentum coming in. Okay, we can see it from the 4 hours, we can see it from the 1 hour. So intraday traders are not looking to buy at this level. Okay, the chances of winning buying at this level is very low. I'm not saying it's not possible, I'm saying it's very low. So you have a higher chance of losing your trade if you buy at this level than if you sell at this level. Okay, so you stand a higher chance of winning if you sell at this level. Okay, so what we are looking to do at this level is to sell. You can sell once price enters into the support zone. You can sell once price breaks out of the support zone. If you are waiting for confirmation, you are waiting to see price break out of the support zone. All right, then you get your confirmation of selling. Okay, if you are following momentum, then you are looking to selling from here. If you are following momentum, then you are looking to selling from here, because the bearish momentum is high. Okay, good. Let me know what currency you want me to analyze in the chart. Let me know what currency you want me to analyze in the chart. So we've rounded up on EURUSD. We have higher chances of winning if we short this market. Okay, however, if you are waiting for confirmation, you are waiting to see price drop below the support zone, and then you can short. What currency do you want me to analyze? Drop it in the chat box. All right, let me just wait a minute to see our feedbacks. What currency do you want me to analyze? Drop it in the chat box. What currency do you want me to analyze? Drop it in the chat box. I'm waiting. Okay, let's go with GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, let's go to the higher time frame. So this is GBPUSD, and from here, let's map out the levels of support and resistance. Okay, so we can see how price is moving here like this. Okay, let me get this. Okay. Okay. So we can see how price has been moving in wave-like pattern. Price has been moving in wave-like pattern. Okay. However, we can see that currently price is above this support zone. Yes, price is above this support zone. Okay. And when we look closely, from what we have here, all right, when we move closely from what we have here, we can see that last month there was a wick to the downside of this bearish candle, indicating buyers are very active at this level. This level indicates that buyers are very active at this level. Okay? Yes. This level indicates that buyers are very active at this level. And we can see how price has been pushed up. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we can equally see how, price is building up. Okay, you can see how price has been building up, momentum is building up. Okay, now currently price is above this minor resistance turn support zone. All right, so, and also we can see that this level is also a level to watch for price. This level is a level to watch. There is a support zone here. Equally, we can see how price has broken out a bit from it, but struggling to finally have a final push out from that level. So let me take this off. So look at what we are look at what we have here on the GBP chart. Okay, now prices are above this support or resistance term support zone. Okay, now let's go down to the daily time frame to see more clearly what price is doing. So you can see here that price is out of this zone. Okay, you can see here that price is out of this zone. Okay, so what is the chances of price movement? Okay, what's the chances of price movement, and where is price going to next on the GBP chart? There's a higher likelihood that price will consolidate at this level. Okay, and a continuous push in price will occur. The next level of resistance to watch out for is here, and the second level of resistance to watch out for is here. So what do you do with this information? The first level of resistance should be your first take profit target, and the second level of now we can see that on the 4 hours time frame now we are getting a clearer picture of price momentum. On the 4 hours, price is saying, I'm not joking, I'm going bearish. It's becoming clear. Okay, it's becoming clear. And what are we going to watch out for our buy confirmation before changing our confirmation to sell? All right, now you wait to see price break out of this zone. So when price breaks out of this zone, then you are looking to sell. If it doesn't break out of this zone, there will be further consolidation and you are looking to buy. Okay, but for intraday trader, there is no clear direction as to buying or selling right now. Okay, the best we can do is to position ourselves ahead of a momentum, either buy or sell. Either we are buying or we are selling. Okay, and that would be our our target. So the strategy we are implementing right now on this chart is patience. Okay, so that's why patience is a strategy. All right, so we are patient to see where would price go to. Okay, what would be price next move? Would it consolidate and push up? All right, or would it break out and push down? Those are the questions you want to ask yourself, and you can't get the answer except you wait to see what happens next, and you are positioned ahead of time. If you don't have the patience of waiting that long, you can equally set your buy stop above this level, or you set your sell stop below this level. So if price comes down and touch your sell stop, of course there is higher chances that there is a higher probability that price will continue to go down. And if it hits your buy limit, there is a higher probability that it will continue to go up. Okay, and that's it. All right. So it is also very important for you as traders to understand that patience is a strategy, and you have to incorporate it or integrate it into your trading plan. All right. So that is our review on EURUSD and GBPUSD. One important thing I would like to share with you is on our session for today is risk management. Okay, risk management. Now, one of the things that you have to do if you are a newbie in a space is to leverage our demo account, all right, to start trading with virtual money to better understand your strategy without risking your real capital. Okay, and if you are not a newbie, if you already have been in the market for a while, you also need to take risk management seriously as you are dealing with real capital. Now, use a stop loss is very important. Something tells you don't use a stop loss, it might hit your stop loss and go back in the right direction. You are better off using a stop loss than not using a stop loss. 3. Trade with a risk reward ratio. Trade with a risk reward ratio. It's very important that you trade with a risk reward ratio. Also, keep up with market news. Avoid over trading. Review and adjust your trading strategy regularly. Risk only small capital per trade. Diversify your trade. So you don't want to put in, one lot size on a single trade, 0.5 lot size on a single trade. No, why not diversify your trade? Okay. Also, avoid over leveraging. Avoid over leveraging. It's very important. All right. Another point is stick to your trading plans. Stick to your trading plans. That's very, very important for you to stick to your trading plans. Now, we have our Octa trading app that offers 24/7 customer service and a commitment to funds and data security. Our app is our platform has low spread, fast execution and zero commission. It is available on Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Don't miss out on this huge opportunity for you. All right. Now, you also have the chance of doubling your deposit using my promo code. My promo code is Tunmise 100. TUNMISE 100. And how do you take advantage of this? You take advantage of this just in 5 steps. 1. Open the Octa trading app or visit our official website. Go to your profile, find the promo code section in the menu, enter the promo code and press activate. Once you press activate, you make a deposit and enjoy your bonus. Don't forget, my promo code is Tunmise 100. All right, great. Now, what is the summary of our analysis today? Now, we discussed about price action and also market structure. Now, this component is sustainable for traders and applicable in all scenarios. Okay, good. Someone said, please, I've already used the particular. Yes, so if you have used it, thank you for using it. And that opportunity still remains. Now, we review the strategy on a live chat during the live chat session right in the trading terminal. All right, and if you have any question with regards to what we've just discussed, please do well to ask in the chat box. Okay, good. Now, here is a key takeaway. Number 1, analyze trading instruments. Now you have to analyze your instrument to better understand the various market conditions. Alright? Review your actions and reflect on your decision. This is very important because it helps you to identify what works well and what can be improved. Okay? Also, keep up with the latest market news. Keep up with the latest market news and updates. Use educational resources to enhance your understanding. So we have several educational resources on our platform where you can use it to better your understanding. We have several webinars on the Octa platform. We have several educational resources on our website. Take advantage of that. If you have any question, please do well to drop it in the chat box before we round off. Yes, so Moyo, you've already used the promo code. Thank you. All right. Yeah. So someone is asking, what strategy is that? So the strategy is focused on price action. Okay. So, and we have come to the end of today's session. Please take this opportunity, take this time to give us a feedback on this webinar. What do we need to improve and how do we need to improve this webinar? So please, there's a QR code on the screen. Scan the QR code and the survey takes only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Please do well to fill out this survey and help us to better understand how we can improve our webinars in the future. Thank you for joining and see you in our next session. Bye everyone.